Hello students, today we will do the remaining word problems. We are left with two more problems, that is number E and number F. Question number E. Out of 650 students in a hostel, 475 are going to their homes during the vacations. How many students are staying back at the hostel? So in a hostel consisting of 650 students, 475 students are going to their homes during the vacations. And the rest are staying back at the hostel. So we have to find out the number of students who are staying back at the hostel. Okay? So the first part, out of 650 students in a school, you'll write like this: total number of students in a hostel. So total number of students in a hostel is 650. 475 students are going to their homes during vacations. So you'll write number of students going to their homes are 475. 475 students are going to their homes. The remaining part of the question, how many students are staying back at the hostel? So therefore, number of students staying back are 650 minus 475. So this means 650 students, that means the total number of students minus the number of students who are going to their homes. So let us subtract. So we have 0 and 5. So let us borrow 5, become 4, and then here we'll get 10. So 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then here we have 4 and then 7. We have to borrow again. So 6 will become 5 and here we get 14. So 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 175 students are staying back at the hostel. So answer will be 175. 175 students. 175 students are staying back. Okay. Now let us do question number F. The distance from Delhi to Lucknow is 473 km and the distance from Delhi to Jalandhar is 385 km. Which place is farther from Delhi and by what distance? So students, you have to understand this question very minutely and solve it. Okay. So as I read out and solve it, you look here very carefully and try to understand it. So see here, the distance from Delhi to Lucknow is 473 kilometers. This means 473 kilometer is the distance from Delhi to Lucknow. And the distance from Delhi to Jalandhar is 385 kilometers. Okay. So now first you have to write like this. Distance from Delhi to Lucknow is 473 kilometers. So you'll write 473 kilometers. Then distance from Delhi to Jalandhar is 385 kilometers. Distance from Delhi to Jalandhar is equal to 385 kilometers. Now we can clearly see that distance from Delhi to Lucknow is 473 and distance from Delhi to Jalandhar is 385 kilometers. So it is clear that 473 is greater than 385. Okay, so 385 is smaller than 473. So this means that the distance from Delhi to Lucknow is more farther than distance from Delhi to Jalandhar. This means that Lucknow is more farther from Delhi. Okay, from Delhi, Lucknow is more farther. Okay, so this is clear. Now you have to find out the difference of the distance. So the difference of the distances. Now difference of the distances here means you have to subtract and find the difference. As you remember that subtraction is also called the difference. So you have to find the difference between the two distances. So you'll write like this: distance of the difference of the distances. Difference will be 473 minus 385. Okay, so now let us subtract. We will borrow 7 will become 6 and here 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Then we have 6 and 8. Again we'll have to borrow 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is again 8. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So we need not put 0 on the left side. So answer will be 88 kilometers. Now see the conclusion. Since 473 kilometers is greater than 385 kilometers, so therefore Lucknow is farther from Delhi by how much? We got 88 kilometers. So we will write here by 88 kilometers. So this shows that Lucknow is more farther from Delhi by 88 kilometers. So you have to do the sum or problem this way. Okay. So please students revise and read the question very carefully. Okay. Thank you students.